You will need a kit at work, at the kids' school, in your vehicle, and a kit for your pet. Apply all the same principles you learned about the grab and go kit and include the following tips. For your work and school kit, this kit should be in one container or one bag, placed in a convenient location such as under your desk or in a locker ready to go. The inventory should be similar to the grab and go bag, just adjust the items and quantities as required. If you typically wear dress shoes or high heels at work, you may want to include a sturdy pair of shoes in this kit in case you have to evacuate or walk for a long distance. For your vehicle kit, you may be stranded somewhere or require supplies to survive on your own. Have a kit handy in all your vehicles, including your RV and boats if you have some. Keep your vehicle in good repair and always keep your gas tank at least half full. The vehicle kit inventory should be similar to the grab and go bag. Other than your basic vehicle supplies such as spare tire, booster cables, etc., you may also want to add a fire extinguisher, some flares, and seasonal supplies such as an ice scraper and a small shovel.